Are you hungry? Are you wanting a chicken pot pie, but you don't want to do it in the oven? Let's see if we can do it without pie dough and in a skillet. Okay, so for this recipe, we're going to cook this very different. We have 1 can of chicken. We have 3 cups of chicken stock, a cup of milk. We can use frozen peas. I don't have frozen peas right now, so we will be using 2 cans of canned beans instead. We also have this Sensational Skillets chicken pot pie skillet that we're going to be using. Alright, so this is where we will turn on our burner to medium high so the pan can get warmed up. We will grab our 3 cups of chicken broth. We need 1 cup of milk so we can measure them out now. Open our veggies. If you're not using frozen, you don't have to use peas. I like a little color in my food, so I will get that going now. Alright, once our pan gets warm, we will add the seasoning kit thing that we got. We will add 3 cups of chicken broth. Our can of chicken with the juices still attached. I don't know if that was a good idea or not. Add our peas. I'd much rather use frozen peas, but the store didn't have any, so we gotta use what we gotta use. Oh, it's gonna be veggie heavy, which is good because veggies are important in your life. And we need 1 cup of milk. Here's our 1 cup of milk. And then we'll mix this up. We're only bringing this up to a boil before we turn the heat down on there. Oh man, there's a lot more in here than I thought there was. Holy guacamole. Our seasoning seems to be good though. Once this gets to a boil, we are going to want to turn the heat down and let it simmer. I'm not sure how long this will take. I will let you know. We're just going to cook it and mix it up. We're going to keep mixing it up until the liquid is mostly absorbed. So after about 16 minutes, it's still got some liquid, but we're going to turn this burner off, put it on a different burner, and then we will put a lid on it for 5 minutes and then check it again. After 5 minutes, this is how I'm looking. Let's mix it up in there real good. Oh yeah, thickened up nice. We got all them peas, the seasoning in here. This was different for me to make. I hope you enjoyed. If you could leave a like and a comment and subscribe, that does help a lot. I hope you have a great time and wonderful eating. How good is this meal? That is definitely chicken pot pie. You should try this. I recommend it.